Hi viewers! How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today we will make mixed vegetable macaroni salad, which will be very tasty. Subscribe my channel and like my videos. Let's start the recipe. We will add 2 tablespoons of cream in a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Black pepper 1/4 teaspoon and salt 14 teaspoon. Now we will mix all these ingredients properly. All ingredients are mixed well. Now we will add in it little bit boiled macaroni. See, these are peas. Little bit boiled chickpeas, little bit boiled potatoes in cube. These are little bit dates which we bring aside because these are not cut properly. Now we add all these in it. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Now we add these pieces of dates in it and mix it well. You can add salt and pepper in it according to your taste. See? Very delicious macaroni vegetable salad is ready. So, tell me in the comment box that how you like this recipe. Subscribe my channel and like my videos. I will be back with new videos. Goodbye.